Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the EcoSol bamboo toilet paper, which is in this box right here. This is going to be a sustainable and eco-friendly bamboo toilet paper that you can currently get on Amazon for about $25 for a pack of 12 separate rolls. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll discuss the general packaging, the features of the rolls, then I'll show you what they look like up close. Then I'll plan on using these in the upcoming weeks and circle back with you with a follow-up video to see how it performs and whether I would recommend using them on a long-term basis. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing these, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the EcoSol bamboo toilet paper. Currently you can get it on Amazon for a pack of 12 rolls, which is this box for $25, and that comes out to 70 cents per 100 sheets. They also have the options of getting 24 rolls for about $37, which comes out to 51 cents per sheet, or 100 sheets, and then 36 rolls for $49, which comes out to 45 cents per 100 sheets. So with this toilet paper, really the best option is getting the 36 rolls for price per 100 sheets. But really, if you can kind of try it out with the smaller box if you want to start, and then if you like it, go from there as far as purchasing a larger quantity. Real quick, we'll go over the general features of this. So this is what the box comes in. So 12 rolls in here. The brand's EcoSol, so it's going to be bamboo toilet paper, 3-ply, which is 300 sheets per roll, and then there's 12 rolls in this carton. It's hypoallergenic, unscented, soft, BPA and paraben free, so really avoiding any preservatives and things like that. And it's FSC certified as far as the source of this, as far as like an eco-friendly product. All the packaging is going to be 100% post consumer recycling, so the box can be recycled, and it states that it's tree free, which is nice. On the side here it says made from plants, made for all, and then on the back here it does discuss some information about bamboo. And so a lot of people don't know that bamboo is very sustainable because it's a very fast growing grass as compared to trees, so you don't have to cut down the trees from that standpoint, and bamboo just replicates very quickly, so it's a good source for paper products. So switching to bamboo will really help you save trees and be better for the environment. But that's it for the packaging. What we'll do now is we'll just open this up, kind of get a sense of what the actual rolls look like in the box. Sorry, this knife's not really cutting well. Okay. And so in here, you've got 12 separate rolls, and so all of them are individually packaged with different color rolls. Actually a wide variety of colors, to be honest. I'm surprised by that, but we'll just kind of pull them out and take a look. So you've got red, orange, yellowish, kind of this darker green. So that's all the rolls in here. So all of them are individually packaged, say EcoSol on the side, and it's just got this like paper, or bamboo kind of wrapping around it. Obviously it's not paper because they're sustainable, but we'll take one of these out and just look at it. So this is what it looks like. Obviously it's toilet paper, bamboo. So it is, so for bamboo toilet paper, it's a little bit harder of a material compared to paper, but this one is soft definitely soft as far as a material. The outside is softer than the inside. So the inside here is a little bit more textured pattern versus softer on the outside. I would definitely agree that it's soft. I did, review a while ago a separate bamboo toilet paper. I'd have to look back at the brand, but that one was a little bit more, it wasn't as soft as you would anticipate. This one's a little bit better from that standpoint. And then the roll inside here looks like it's probably like a bamboo product as well. But that's really it as far as everything. It pulls apart very easily. It's 3-ply design, so it should pull apart, and there's, yeah, as you see, 3-ply, so it's probably a little bit more resistant to use, but that's kind of the gist of it as far as sheets and everything like that. So that's all I really have for this video, is just to give you a general sense of what comes in the box, the packaging, everything like that. What I'll do is I'll actually use this in the upcoming weeks and circle back as far as its functionality, see how it works, and whether I'd recommend using this over like other bamboo toilet paper or other products. So definitely subscribe to the channel and check it out if you're interested.